Supply chain management. Production management is closely linked to supply chain management as it involves coordinating activities with the suppliers, distributors, and stakeholders to ensure smooth flow of materials and components throughout the production process. Chain management involves the coordination and integration of processes, activities, and resources across the entire supply chain from raw material source so the delivery of finished goods to end customers. SCM encompasses various functions including procurement, production, logistics, inventory management, and distribution with the goal of optimizing efficiency, reducing cost, and meeting customer demands. Now we can see how the supply management is implemented in production management. Supply relationship management. SCM begins with managing relationship with suppliers to ensure a reliable and efficient supply of raw materials, components, and service. This includes selecting reputable suppliers, negotiating contracts, establishing performance metrics, and collaborating to improve supply chain efficiency and resilience. Strategic sourcing. Strategic sourcing involves identifying and selecting suppliers based on factors such as cost, quality, reliability, and strategic alignment. This may involve global sourcing to leverage cost advantage or local sourcing to reduce lead times and transportation cost. Strategic sourcing decision impact supply chain performance and competitiveness. Procurement and purchasing. SCM includes the procurement and purchasing of materials, goods, and services needed for production or resale. This involves placing orders, managing supplier relationship, negotiating prices, and ensuring timely delivery of goods. Procurement process may be automated using procurement software or integrated with electronic procurement platform for efficiency. Production planning and scheduling. SCM encompasses production planning and scheduling to ensure that production activities are aligned with the demand forecast, inventory level, and capacity constraint. This involves developing production schedule, allocating resources, and coordinating production activities to optimize efficiency and minimize lead times. Inventory management. SCM includes managing inventory level to balance supply and demand while minimizing holding cost and stockouts. This involves implementing inventory control techniques such as just-in-time, inventory management, ABC analysis, and safety stock optimization to optimize inventory level and improve supply chain performance. Logistics and transportation. SCM involves managing the movement of goods and materials through the supply chain from suppliers to manufacturers to distributors and ultimately to customers. This includes selecting transportation mode, optimizing routes, managing logistics partners, and tracking shipments to ensure timely delivery and reduce the transportation cost. Warehousing and distribution. SCM includes managing warehousing and distribution operations to store, handle, and distribute goods efficiently. This involves optimizing warehouse layout, implementing warehouse management systems, and coordinating distribution network to minimize lead times, reduce cost, and improve customer service. Demand planning and forecasting. SCM encompasses demand planning and forecasting to anticipate customer demand and align supply chain activities accordingly. This involves analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer preference to develop accurate demand forecasts which inform inventory planning, production schedule, and procurement decisions. Demand planning and forecasting. SCM encompasses demand planning and forecasting to anticipate customer demand and align supply chain activities accordingly. This involves analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer preference to develop accurate demand forecasts which inform inventory planning, production scheduling, and procurement decisions. Supply chain visibility and collaboration. SCM involves enhanced visibility and collaboration across the supply chain to improve responsiveness and mitigate risk. This includes sharing real-time information, collaborating with partners, and implementing supply chain visibility tools and technologies to track inventory level, monitor supply performance, and respond to disruption proactively. By effectively managing the supply chain, organizations can reduce cost, improve efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and gain competitive advantage in the marketplace. SCM is a critical function that integrates various business processes and stakeholders to optimize the flow of materials, information, and resources across the entire supply chain ecosystem. Overall, effective production function management is essential for achieving operational excellence and competitiveness in today's dynamic business environment. It requires a combination of